Hello, my fellow oddities, and welcome back to another episode. Today, we are going to be starting a new fall scene. It's going to have a lot of red, yellow, oranges. It's going to be gorgeous. If this is your first time here, please make sure you hit that subscribe and that like button. Go ahead and share it with all your friends, and go ahead and take a visit to my website. It's got t-shirts, merch, all kinds of stuff for you to support me. And with all that out of the way now, we're just going to get right into it. So today's going to be our basic block, and for that, we're just going to use a bunch of different colors. We've got some cadmium yellow, some cadmium red, yellow ochre, raw umber, Mars black, and titanium white. And with all of that, I just played around with the mixtures till I got some of the different golden and orange tones that I wanted in parts of the leaves, and then some red parts in the other. And from there, I just kind of played around with the scenery. I also added in some steps, and for that, I used some titanium white and Mars black with just a little bit of blue, just to give it a kind of stone feel to it. And outside of that, I just played around with the different blobs of paint, moving paint around on here just to get some basic block in done. So with that said, I'm just going to let the video do most of the talking in this one, and in the next one I'll have a little bit more definition to give you. So here I wanted to go ahead and block in the trees that are going to be in our scene, and for that I just used some Mars black and a little bit of raw umber just to get the dark shades done, and then I'll go back through and layer in a lot of the highlights. I think it's going to look pretty sharp. I'm doing this tree a lot different than I normally do. I figured I'd kind of switch it up and try a different method. I think this might really bring out some of those shadows and really make the highlights stand out more. So now what I'm going to do is just go through the scene with some variations on the colors we've already used, just to add a little bit of different tones to the painting, just to give it some depth. So that's going to about do it for this episode. The blocking is done, and if you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. All right, if this is your first time, please remember to hit that subscribe and that like button so you can follow along, get more painting videos. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next episode.